Looks totally awesome, like totally awesome. Like I'm ready to take over in these nails. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing some glue on or press on nails, whatever you'd like to call it. These are some of the ones I've tried from Kiss. You could get these at pretty much any location. Target, you can even get them on Amazon. If you don't want to go to the store, I will include links below of everything. Oh my god, this one I didn't have the cover in. But these are some of the ones I have already tried and I really like them. You'll see I have small, medium, long, and long, but this is the one we will be doing today. So I'm just gonna put this to the side. Now, I did just shower, so I'm going to prep my nails a little bit. Now, you guys, to be real, there are tips and tricks that I'm going to show you on how to make these last longer, but if you just need to get out and go, you don't need to do all of this like cuticle work and things like that. You can just glue them on. So first, let me just show you what comes in the boxes. All of these boxes come with a glue. I also have my own glue, but this one is pretty good. It's always the Kiss pink gel. Obviously the nails, there's 28 nails in here. And then there's usually a file in here. And I have my own file, yeah. There's a file and the little Cuticle Pusher backer, but I have my own. I will also link these below, but again, if you want to go out and grab it today, you could go to a beauty supply. I really suggest a beauty supply because if you go to like a CVS or Walgreens or something like that, they are super expensive. So the beauty supply store is where it's at. Alright, so I'm just going to get into my nail prep. This is a cuticle remover and it's super cute. It's pink. Honestly, that's what enticed me to buy it. And I'm just going to squeeze just a bit. If you're not used to cutting your cuticles, you may not want to do that. I am not super used to it, so I might not cut them. I do see a few parts I might be able to nib, but yeah, stick to just getting that manicured until you're comfortable, because you definitely don't want to cut and bleed. It can cause infections and sensitivity, so just really be careful at that step. But this will help at least push them back a bit. So I'm just gonna put that on, let it sit. Also, since I just got out of the shower, I do have some alcohol prep pads to really make sure there's no oil, because I was putting like gel and stuff in my hair. And then we're also gonna file the nails as well. So I'm gonna take this side and just start pushing the cuticle back. And you could kind of like scrape on the sides. So you see all that like extra skin. I don't know if it's picking up in the camera, but yeah, it's on there. You just want to be gentle while you're doing this. So what I'm doing is I'm actually kind of pulling down as well. I'm sweeping down and I'm pushing them back. My nails look pretty good, you guys. I've never really been able to grow my nails out super long. And personally for me, the reason I started doing glue on nails is I want to have my nails done. Obviously, if I'm going out, I prefer to have my nails done, and I really don't like sitting in that chair for so long. Also, it is so expensive. Like, I'm sure wherever you're located, the price for, you know, acrylics or gel nails or even just your basic manicure has gone up so much. It's insane. For something like these designs, it'd probably be, you know, $80–90, and that's before tip. So It's really affordable, and honestly it's pretty fun. Also, you guys, I've been watching a lot of videos on the Gel X nails, so if you guys have done that, let me know below how you like it. I'm thinking about ordering like a bunch of stuff for it and getting started with that. But one moment, I'm gonna go ahead and just wash my hands, so be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished washing my hands. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take one of these alcohol prep pads. These are 70% isopropyl alcohol, but you could probably get more, like 90. I'm not clipping, but this is my clipper. It's pink also, super cute. Yep, all right. So now we're at, like, honestly the longest part of the process, which is going to be picking out your size. So you probably aren't gonna see this in the camera, but at the tip there is a number here that'll show what size that is. So once you've been doing this enough, you may already know your size and you can go really quickly, but I've never really taken note of that, so I'm just gonna try. You wanna make sure from sidewall to sidewall it fits. So you may have to file them down, especially depending on the shape of your nail bed. See this one, if I press it, it doesn't fit. So that was a size 2, I think. These nails going flying everywhere. Okay, so I did the rest of that sizing off camera since it does take a little bit of time, but here we are, we have everything here. So now, since I was touching a lot, I'm just gonna grab that alcohol pad again, wipe these off. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these glue-on nails, or if you guys recommend any that you really like, because I'm definitely down to try them out. I've been into kind of like the nude or also the fun colors. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just gently file down my nails. Well, I'm not filing them down. I'm just like, I don't know, filing off the shine and everything. And gently, we don't have to go too hard. And what's good is they give you this little one, because what we also want to do is file down the actual nail itself. So I'm just going to open this up. I have a bunch of these laying around. I'm surprised there's not one on my table right now. All right. So let's get started. I'm going to do my left hand first. So we can start with the thumb. So you see, I'm gonna take just this bottom base and file it down. Just the best that I can. And then we're gonna take our glue. I put glue on my nail first. So we're gonna squeeze it out. All over the nail. And then I'm gonna put it on here and really make sure I get the sides. Obviously you don't need to put it all on the full part of the nail because, you know, it's not gonna connect to your finger all the way over there. So we're gonna push it like all the way up and a little even like under, not like under. And then we're gonna press it down and hold it. And I kind of like move my finger around on it, so we try not to have any bubbles, especially if you're choosing nude nails. So I'm just gonna hold this down for a while. Okay, check it out. Hopefully you guys can see that. There are no bubbles. This is super cute. Like, I'm honestly loving this. These are probably like gonna be my favorite ones, and I say that every time I buy a new one. A new set. They're so cute. So definitely check out, you know, I'll put links below if you don't want to go to the store and buy these and just want to like test them out at home. But definitely, you know, your beauty supply stores, even your grocery stores, honestly, Target. There are so many selections. They even had special holiday ones. They have it all, so go get you some. You don't have to be going out and worrying about spending a bunch of money on your nails, or, you know, your last minute, you want to go out but your nails aren't done, you don't have time. You could do this. Longest part is honestly sizing, but once you know your sizes, that's super quick. I think I forgot to file the last one. Now, each of these say 7-day wear, but I've been able to wear mine a lot longer than 7 days. Also, if one does pop off, you just put it back on. Like, it's that simple. You don't need any fancy equipment to do this. And honestly, it's pretty fun. Well, I think so. These are so cute. Like, you guys can't tell me these are not cute. Like, oh my god. Let me know if you went to your salon or your nail lady or man, how much they would charge for some nails like this. Please, let me know. Because I'm so sure that if I went to where I usually would go to get my nails done, this is like $80, definitely, because they're gonna charge for the shape. And I totally understand, like, it is hard work to do that. These are obviously glue-on nails. Like, I know it's not the same thing, but I'm just saying, like, you can do this anywhere. You guys, I literally have a video of me doing my glue-on nails at the park. Like, that was a lot of fun. It's a whole experience to do things like this for yourself. I'm gonna do the other hand off camera, and I'm just gonna do some like before and after pics of my nails with and without my glue-ons. Now, what you want to make sure you do, depending again on the fit in your cuticle bed, I've gotten really lucky with the Kiss nails and they fit me very well without doing much filing. I think I had to on my short nails, but I'll show you in 1 second actually. Sometimes there's like a little point at the tip, so you want to file that off. And you can always like reshape, but I'll show you if you guys can see. There's like a little ridge here on the top of the nails, so you want to just file that down. You guys, I can't say it enough. I really like these nails. Like, this is probably my go-to nails right here. This one, you guys, check it out. Super cute. All right, let me get this other side done and I'll be right back. All right guys, I am all done with both hands. I absolutely love how they turned out. I think this is my new favorite glue-on nail set. It's such a pretty nude color. Like, it looks totally awesome. Like, totally awesome. Like, I'm ready to take over in these nails. So guys, definitely let me know your favorite glue-on nail kit and also other methods that you guys like to use to do your nails. Maybe you keep it natural, maybe you do acrylic, gel. I'm super into this. I think it's a great activity just to do for yourself, kind of like a little self-care thing. So yeah, I'm all done. Hope you guys like it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.